There we are. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. We are starting a brand new week and also what I hope will be the uh, the finishing of Unit 6. Um, this is the last week before our summer break. And so we want to go ahead and finish Unit 6, wrap it on up, and just get it done. So, to get started, let's move on over to what we had for homework. This is actually going to finish off Unit 6. So we will actually finish off Unit 6 by going through the student book, pages 80 to 83, and then through the workbook, pages 76 and 77. Then we'll be done with Unit 6. So these next 2 hours will be dedicated to doing just that. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, please remember that I will probably need to move myself around a little bit as the presentation goes on. So if you see me having to pause and then you find me someplace else on the screen, that's all right. Okay, that's all right. In fact, I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let's move on and start talking about page, oh, what did I say we were doing? Okay. Okay, there was a lot of noise right outside my door, and so I think they're gone now. So let's go ahead and move on. So we're actually on page 80. So we're going to start out on page 80 in the student book. And as you can see here, we've got life, it's lesson F, another view. We've got life skills reading. And we're going to go through this schedule right here and then just answer these questions. And you'll notice I didn't even try to hide the answer because they're so easy. So first, however, I wanted to go through this class schedule and just go through it carefully and have you guys repeat after me. And then we'll talk about some of this useful language and additional stuff. So repeat after me. Class schedule. Class schedule. Spring semester. Spring semester. So, as you know, when we are in school in the United States, we either have quarters or we have semesters. The difference is in how long each one is. So a quarter is usually 3 months, and a semester is usually 6 months. So you can fit a quarter inside of a semester. Cool, huh? Okay, so for the spring semester, and let's see, they've got it here. Well, instead of 6 months, they've got it 2.5 months. Okay. So let's go ahead and read through the different classroom options or the different class options, class schedule options for this school. So the first we have business, business English, keyboarding, and you're supposed to be repeating after me right now. Introduction to computers, word processing. And then we have English as a second language. That's what you're doing right now. ESL, English as a second language. And you can see here, they put ESL. but you have different levels and different classes. So you have the beginning level, intermediate level, citizenship, and they have 2 citizenship classes, pronunciation, and writing. Now on this schedule, first you have a list of classes. Then you have days of the week. Then you have the times the classes are conducted during the week. And then you have the dates of the semester for the classes. So let's talk a little bit about this useful language over here. And I actually wrote it here just because I thought it would be bigger to see than trying to look at this. So here, abbreviation, as we've talked about before, is a short way of saying a longer word, or of writing a longer word, okay? So the abbreviation for Monday is M, the abbreviation for Tuesday, TU, Wednesday, W, Thursday, TH, Friday, F, Saturday, SAT, and Sunday, SUN. Okay, those are the abbreviations. So if we look back to the days that the classes are taking place, you can see here, Business English is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Keyboarding is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Introduction to Computers is Tuesday, Thursday, and Word processing is Tuesday, Thursday. Then you have beginning and intermediate ESL classes, also Monday through Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then you have citizenship classes, one on Saturday and one on Sunday. Pronunciation is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday only. And ESL writing is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday only. So now let's read the questions. It says, read the questions, look at the schedule, fill in the answer. You guys should have already done this homework. So let's go ahead and read the questions. Number 1, which classes meet on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday? Which classes meet on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday? And our answer is D, keyboarding and ESL pronunciation. So let's look at it. Keyboarding, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. ESL pronunciation, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now I want to point out that even though you've got other classes that meet every day, that's not what the question is. The question only wants those classes that meet only on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right. Number 2, when does the Introduction to Computers class start? When does the Introduction to Computers class start? Let's go up to here. Introduction to Computers. And come over here to the date, and we see that it starts March 17th. 3/17 stands for March 17th. 3 is the third month of the year, and the date is the 17th. All right. Number 3, when is the word processing class? When is the word processing class? We come up here, we see that it's on Tuesday and Thursday. So the word processing class is on Tuesday and Thursday. All right. Number 4, when does the spring semester end? When does the spring semester end? And you have either January, February, March, or May. We come up here, we see, even though they have different days or dates, the month is the same. So it ends in May. All right. Okay. Now let's look at the exercise B. It says, solve the problem. Which solution is best? And circle your opinion. It says, you want to take the citizenship class on Saturday morning. You can't attend Saturday classes in January. What should you do? And you have 4 choices. Well, you have, 4 choices. Number 1, not take the class. Number 2, take the Sunday class. Number 3, talk to the teacher. And number 4, other, which means you can try something else. So I'm curious about what you would do. So go ahead and leave me a note in the comment section on the video. Okay. All right. So that's page 80. Let's move on to page 81. So page 81 is cool because we are going to talk about the difference between start and end, when something starts and ends, versus when something opens and closes. Okay. First, we're going to read this, and then we're going to watch the video. So it says, use start and end for events. Use open and close for places. Simple, right? Should be so easy. So for events, what time does the meeting start? A meeting is an event. Okay, it's something that's going to happen. What time does it end? Next, what time does the store open? See, that's a difference there. Use open and close for places. Store is a place. What time does it close? Okay, so let's go ahead and watch this video.
Start, end, and open, close. Unit 6, Lesson F. Using start and end for events. Using open and close for places. Watch and listen.
What time does the computer club meeting start?
At 5 p.m.
What time does the rock show end?
At 9:15 p.m. When does the restaurant open?
At 12 p.m. What time does the gym close?
At 10:30 p.m. Check your understanding. Look at the picture. Ask the question.
What time does the computer club meeting start?
Listen to the question. Look at the picture. Answer the question.
What time does the computer club meeting start?
At 5 p.m. Look at the picture. Ask the question.
What time does the rock show end?
Listen to the question. Look at the picture. Answer the question.
What time does the rock show end?
At 9:15 p.m. Look at the picture. Ask the question.
When does the restaurant open?
Listen to the question. Look at the picture. Answer the question.
When does the restaurant open?
At 12 p.m. Look at the picture. Ask the question.
What time does the gym close?
Listen to the question. Look at the picture. Answer the question.
What time does the gym close?
At 10:30 p.m. Let's review.
What time does the meeting start? What time does it end?
What time does the store open? What time does it close?
Okay. So let's go ahead and close that and come back over here. Okay, well, it doesn't look like it's going to bring me back in. Let me do this. Let me come out of here for a second. And let's go back in. Okay, so it looks like it got rid of me there for a quick moment, but that's okay. So now let's look at exercise A. It says talk with a partner, ask and answer questions about the notices, take turns. Well, obviously we can't do that. So let's go ahead and read this, and then I think we'll have enough time to at least read the notices before we move on to our second video. So here, person A, what time does the computer club meeting start? And you look at the computer club meeting, and the start time is 5 p.m. So person B says at 5 p.m. Then they ask, what time does the library close? So you find the notice with the library information. Oh, it's on the same one. And you see here, the closing hours are 8 p.m. So the answer would be at 8 p.m. Okay, so let's go ahead and read all of these, and then we will start our next lesson. So just repeat after me. Computer club meeting every Tuesday, 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. at the Lincoln Library. Library hours, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Next, the history of rock music. See a great show about rock music. The show is from 7 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. on Wednesday. Ticket office hours, 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Next, we have our cooking class with Yolanda. Learn how to cook with Yolanda Gomez at Yoli's Cafe. When? 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Saturdays. Restaurant hours are 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. So they have a cooking class before the restaurant opens. That's pretty smart, because then they can probably cook some of the food for the restaurant. Right? Okay. Next, we have a basketball game. We've got the Rockets versus the Leopards. And game time is 7:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Friday. And the gym hours are 4:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. So we will wrap it up here. And when we come back, we will pick up from exercise B. All right. See you guys soon.